Hey guys, welcome to today's video where I want to basically give away my first milestone giveaway. And that is a membership license towards my Chatbot Marketing Accelerator. So one of the milestones, my very first milestone, would be to cross the 600 subscribers on my channel. And within less than a month, we were able to do so. So as mentioned on this post, with the 600 subscriber milestone, I'm going to give away one membership license if the user comments down on this post and also is subscribed towards the channel. So I'm going to go down this comment section and just randomly pick someone by just scrolling up and down. I will then send the user a message and also request them in PM to send me their Google handle. That way I can take a look whether or not they are subscribed, yes or no. So let's just scroll up and down and see which user we are going to get. I'm just going to go up and down. As you can see, no specific pattern here. And if I am going to choose, let's choose the one that will be in the middle if I stop my scrolling. And that will be Francesco Balestrieri. I'm hoping I pronounced it I pronounced it well. So I'm going to contact you, as you can see here. I'm going to contact you and see if I can get your Google handle so I can look you up inside my subscriber overview. And if you are a subscriber, then I'm going to gift you a free membership towards my Chatbot Marketing Accelerator. So for the next milestone, which will be, if we take a look at the post itself, you will see that the next milestone will be at 750 subscribers, and I'm going to give away 5 membership licenses. So not just the single one, for just 150 subscribers more, I'm going to give away 5 extra licenses. So that will be my next milestone goal for the coming 2 or 3 months. And let's see if we can get there together. For now, have a great weekend, take care, and I will talk to you really, really soon.